Hi guys, my name is Asdain from STEM 1207 St. Maria Goretti. And in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I'm going to make my 3D animal cell. So in this video, I'm going to be making my own 3D animal cell and then proceed to explain each and every part of it. So without further ado, let's start. Let's start with introducing the materials.
Cardboard, colored paper, some cartolina, some yarn, clay, and some stick glue and glue gun. Now that we're done introducing the materials, why don't we start in making the actual model? Part 2. Explaining the model.
Hi guys, I'm back and now it's already the second day of me making my own 3D animal cell. It's finally completed, although I've made a few tweaks here and there since it doesn't really work well. It sometimes falls off, or if either the glue sometimes don't really stick that well, so I've made a few tweaks on it, like replacing it with yarn and clay. But enough talking, let's show you the final product. Yeah, that's it. Hi guys, it's finally done. I'm finally done making my own 3D animal cell. It's the third day of making it, and today I'm going to fully explain to you what each and every part of these are.
The nucleolus is a region found within the cell nucleus that is concerned with producing and assembling the cell's ribosomes, while the nucleus controls and regulates the activities of the cell. Ribosome functions as a micromachine for making proteins. Vesicles store and transport materials with the cell. The rough endoplasmic reticulum has on it ribosomes, which are the dots. Golgi body is a cell organelle that helps process and package proteins. The cytoskeleton organizes the other constituents of the cell. Mitochondrion generate most of the chemical energy needed to power the cell's biochemical reaction. Vacuole is a membrane-bound cell organelles and are usually small. They help sequester waste products. Cytosol is involved in signal transduction between the cell membrane, the nucleus, and the organelles. The lysosomes function as the digestive system of the cell. The centrioles help determine the locations of the nucleus and other organelles within the cell. The cell membrane has two functions. First, to be a barrier keeping the constituents of the cell in and unwanted substances out. Second, to be a gate allowing transport into the cell of essential nutrients and movement from the cell of waste products.
So yeah, that's basically it, guys. I really had fun with this project. First time I've done this, making something and making it something and then making it a vlog, and I really had fun with it. I've done it for 4 days now, and it's currently around 3 o'clock in the morning, and I haven't been sleeping with this since it's hard, but at the same time, it's been really fun doing this project. So yeah, I wanted to thank my teacher for giving me the opportunity to do this, and also I hope you find the project at least pleasant to the eyes, and yeah, that's basically it, guys. See ya next time. Bye.